Why, hello everybody, my name is Shay, this is Rusty Goddess Resale, and we have a ThredUP name brand handbag unboxing for you guys. Sorry about my voice. I went to the doctor, got a strep test, got an everything else test, and I am sick, but I'm not sick, so I can't get any medication, but my throat really hurts. So anyway, I got this delivered and I could not wait to open this thing. I hadn't seen it on the website for a long time, but recently I've been seeing it quite a bit. So hopefully I can score some more of these name brand handbag boxes if this one turns out to be good. I haven't even looked at it yet. I'm super excited. The last time that I got, so here's my goal. My goal is I have a Rent the Runway ThredUP partner kit to send in, and I want to send in like more high-end items so I can get another bulk box, like maybe for just like a little bit cheaper, you know? Like send in my thrifted items, have them pay me out, and then I can go and buy some more rescue boxes with that. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's do a first look. Gotta fold it up, fold it out. Okay. I don't know. This box is $100 and I think you get 5 items in it. But the first one, she needs some work. She needs some work. So this is a pretty popular style of Kate Spade bag, but the bottom is pretty dirty. And yeah, so I'm gonna wipe it down, see if it, you know, cleans up anymore. Based on the outside, I'm not, the inside is not great. Not great. It's mainly like right here. So maybe, I don't know. I know somebody will buy it in this condition. It does have this shoulder strap, which is nice. And the shoulder strap is in good shape, but everything else is dirty. So that was not the best start. Here is a Coach wallet. She is really beat up. So here's what it looks like. See, like the piping is like gone. There's some of it coming off right there. I mean, overall it's a, like the pattern's cute, but like there's the inside. The inside's not super bad, but it's not super clean either. Ooh, I found a dime. Maybe I'll find more. Like, just have like a wad of cash that somebody missed that will pay for my box. How about that? But this is not great. I will probably only be able to sell this for like $15, and cost of goods on this box is like 20 bucks per item. So hoping I have one that kind of saves the day here. This is Mark by Marc Jacobs. Oh, sorry. The corners are like horrid. Not good. Maybe I can Sharpie those. Inside's not bad. I don't know. This one doesn't look like horrible, but I don't know how many people want this bag. I'm not sure. What do we got here? This kind of looks Tory Burch-y. Kate Spade. Oh man, this is bad. This is bad. Okay. Hopefully there's some in this box that are gonna save this. So this is a Kate Spade. It looks nothing like Kate Spade bags, but it's a Kate Spade bag. It's like canvas material, but here's what the inside looks like. Like, if you can see, there's like a rip right here, and on this side, like, I don't know what happened here. What has this bag been through? But the inside is also horrid. It's like super duper dirty. I don't know if you can see that. Horribly dirty. I don't even know if I can get 20 bucks out of that. Ooh. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the last item is this black Michael Kors bag. I don't know. It looks nice, but the handle does have quite a bit of cracking, if you can see that. And I'm scared to reach my hand into these pockets. There's like a popsicle stick in one of the pockets. Anything else? Anything noteworthy in here? This is an odd bag. So it's got like 3 different compartments. So the top is like this compartment, and then it goes into this one, and then to this one. This bag is like a black hole, basically, for your stuff. But overall, like, the outside is not bad. Corner wear is pretty good. The only thing for wear on this bag is, yeah, the handle, the piping is gone on quite a few places. I've seen some great name brand handbag unboxings, and mine was horrible. Hopefully I can get my money back from the Marc Jacobs, this Michael Kors one. I don't even know if I can sell the larger Kate Spade one, like the red one that had all that wear. I mean, I can probably sell this for $15. It might be a break-even box, honestly. I don't know, and obviously these boxes are a gamble. I do the best on the ThredUP bulk boxes because with the cost of goods being like $1 or less per item, you really can't lose. But some of these other boxes, like it's either a huge hit or a complete miss. And honestly, for what I wanted to do with this box, it is a complete miss this time around, but ThredUP is not to blame. They did not put anything to my head and said, Shay, order this box. I did that. So anyway, kind of a letdown, but it's always a gamble with these boxes. So anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.